1987 brings us the fashion plate that was Sledgehammer. The very first issue of his comic book, which unfortunately only lasted 2 issues. And nothing says fashion like a green and yellow checked sport coat, a pinkish orange shirt, and purple pants. And you got the office chick and Satana. The wonderful title of Creep House. Now, it might be a February issue, but it says Halloween all over it, and this was just a dandy. I loved the TV show. I loved both the issues of the comic. And it's a shame that it couldn't go on longer.